Today we're making Bojangles popcorn. Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. Today we're gonna be making Bojangles seasoned popcorn. This was an idea that came to us from our friend Gus. He's down in North Carolina. They have Bojangles down there. Really, really good stuff. And we're gonna try to make this with this seasoning. It's a very savory, spicy seasoning. I think they use this obviously on their chicken. I've used it on eggs. It works really, really good. But today we're gonna try it on popcorn, so let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle. We're gonna start to heat that up. Let's check the temperature. So we had it running just a little while ago. We're about 300 degrees. We got a little bit more degrees we gotta get up there for it. While it's heating up, let me tell you about my friend Gus. Gus is amazing. Here's a picture of Gus right here. Gus is awesome. Absolutely love Gus. Big shout out to you. Thank you for this idea. I have another flavor that Gus also recommended. We're gonna be making that in a future video. I'm not gonna let out the secret right now, but it's gonna be pretty cool. But today we're gonna be making this Bojangles savory popcorn, and I'm really looking forward to it. While that's heating up, reminder, if you wanna get your copy of the Popcorn Genius recipe book, check out the link down in the description. You can download that absolutely free today. Also, today's sponsor is kettlecornmachine.com. Check them out. Go to kettlecornmachine.com. They make these giant kettles where you can pop up kettle corn, all kinds of popcorn for farmers markets and fairs. Great stuff. We have an 80-quart popper made by them ourselves. We just got an auto stirrer for it and we absolutely love that. Popped up so much popcorn super fast. Really, really good. But check them out. Tell Destiny Popcorn Genius sent you. I'm sure she's gonna take great care of you. Let's get back to our popcorn popper because I'm sure it's heated up by now. Let's check the temperature. Oh yeah, we're smoking, so we're definitely at temperature. First thing we're gonna do is put in 3 ounces of oil. This is a popping oil. It's also a topping oil. This one's made by Buttery Goodness. Really good product. We absolutely love it. And we're gonna dump in our kernels. We have 8 ounces of kernels because this is an 8-ounce popcorn popper. We're gonna close our lid. We're gonna let that heat up some more. And while that's happening, we're gonna get our seasoning ready. This is 8 ounces of kernels, and for that, we're gonna use a heaping 1/4 cup of seasoning. So we have our cup out here, took off the lid, let's dump it in here. Whoa, just spilled some on the floor, but I have a nice heaping pile of seasoning, just like that, good stuff. And I'm gonna get out something that's gonna help us get this seasoning on our kernels. And that is one of these Ziploc bags. This is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, and we're gonna use this to get our seasoning attached to those kernels. It's gonna work really good. We have more seasoning left in the bottle. We can use that when we cook up some chicken. All right, we are sizzling. I hear the popcorn sizzling in there. Oh yeah, now it's popping up fast. There we go, we're popping out. Now we're gonna listen for this. As soon as it starts to slow down, we're gonna turn it off. Okay, turn that off, give it a dump. Let's get a piece of this and show you what it looks like. This is the mushroom style popcorn kernels. They're nice and big, nice and round, a lot of crevices in there for our seasoning to stick. Now, while this is still hot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our scooper and we're gonna scoop out our kernels. We're gonna stir it around just a little bit. Get any unpopped kernels down to the bottom. Then we're gonna start scooping off the top, okay? And we start filling our bag with all of these nice hot kernels. You want your popcorn to be hot when you're seasoning it. It'll just help that seasoning to stick to it better. And you could take your popcorn here and you could season it right in your machine if you wanted to, shake on your seasoning. I prefer not to do that. I don't think it coats the popcorn as well, for one, and two, it kind of dirties your popcorn machine a little unnecessarily. It's not really necessary to get it all full of that seasoning. Okay, there we have it. Look at that. This is a 2-gallon bag. This feels like over a gallon of popcorn, and we might actually put more seasoning on it than this, but let's dump in our seasoning. I'm gonna dump that right into our bag. We're gonna close this up, and we're gonna give it a shake. Okay, we're nice and coated. I can see this. I actually don't think we're gonna need more seasoning. Smells good. Let's get a look at it. You can see the seasoning on there. You can. I'm gonna give it a taste. That's good. It's nice and salty, very savory. I'm trying to think if it's got a little bit of spice to it. It's got a little bit. Not really a lot though. That one was really coated with seasoning. I'll show you some of these pieces. Look at this one. Look at that. That is coated with the seasoning. Nice and salty. This is really good. Gus, you got a winner. Really good idea. Love the Bojangles. So there you have it. It's just some seasoning we bought online. Made some really great popcorn thanks to Gus. Appreciate you, buddy. So remember, in life and with popcorn, you just gotta get out there and get popping.